Removing the rebars. So these are what make the steam in the oven. Water drips down in this bar here over these, which are obviously hot, and generates the steam, which puts a crust on the bread and rolls. Yeah, I'll get it on the thing. Yeah. Right, so this little forklift isn't, the forks aren't long enough to pick it up evenly. So we're going to borrow a bigger forklift from across the road. And there it is on its pallet and strapped down. I'll throw a few clips in of what me and Nigel got up to yesterday, but we basically dismantled and palletised an oven and put 2 ovens on a high-ab lorry for delivery up to Northallerton in Yorkshire. You might recognise the ovens because we only took them out about 2 years ago from another bakery, installed one of them in this bakery, and then one has sat in long-term storage. Unfortunately, the oven hasn't been used because they haven't got the power requirements, unfortunately, to run that oven at the same time as all their other ovens. Hiab came, picked them up, so the Hiab's now in Leeds. He's took them back up to their yard in Leeds, and we're hoping for delivery tomorrow morning to Northallerton. And then it's going to be a 2-day job. What we've dismantled in 2 ovens and building 2 ovens back up, it's going to be 2 days. Got a knife in my bag. Two ovens removed here. First one being brought in. Here we are in with the new oven. Second oven now in, ready to be flipped upright. Motor already removed. Here's the 2 ovens, all installed, run up to temperature, 211 degrees, 226 degrees. Old hoods retrofitted to these because we're using their extraction. All brought in through here, flipped in the warehouse, skated in, motors refitted to the tops, rebars refitted, all the hoods fitted. Job done. It's about 7:30 in the evening.